So we are running kind of behind this Halloween season. There's several stores that we have yet to go look at their Halloween stuff. So that's what we're gonna do today. We're gonna go to a few different places and check out what they got. I think I'm probably gonna split this into multiple videos. I know I talk with my hands a lot. I've noticed that when I watch my videos back. I'm probably gonna split this into a few separate videos though, so yeah. First up, we're taking a look at Big Lots today. So I'm switching to my phone because it's a little bit less conspicuous. But check it out. Emily already found her favorite thing.
It's not a dragon. Oh.
That's pretty cool.
Can we put that in the living room? Or
Yeah.
bedroom? It's kind of, it doesn't sound like a dragon though. That's interesting.
We also have a small one over here. This rug is kind of interesting.
Does it do anything?
I don't know.
If I bought that, would there be a way for you
Yeah.
to take the sound out?
Maybe.
It's not saying
It's like a Ouija board food tray.
Huh.
What does the scarecrow do?
Oh.
You know a scarecrow when you see one?
Oh.
I couldn't actually really understand what he just said.
I don't know.
Looks like we have some trespassers. Get out of here.
He reminds me of my granddad. Some bloody knife lights. It's cool.
Sorry.
What does the box do? I thought it was gonna like shake or something. What about this guy?
You know what they say?
What?
A glass of blood a day keeps the mortician away.
I couldn't understand. I'm too distracted by this one. This one's just like.
He's not doing anything.
Sorry, I didn't realize they played music.
Yeah. Is that Halloween music?
It's like a. It kind of sounds like Halloween, but not exactly. Look at that. Yes,
cool.
please.
Is that 16 bucks? What's it do?
It just lights up. Yeah,
That's
it's really cool.
Could be like an adult nightlight.
I like it. What does the tree lunger do?
Your time has come. I am here to harvest your soul. There is no escape from my grasp. Your soul will be mine.
He's very violent. Now these lights are cool. Emily likes this one. Does the dragons. And this the lightning one too.
What's ornaments in there? That's cool. There's a bitch. Look how, do you like it?
Yeah, that's kind of cool.
This little
Yeah.
stuff going on. It actually was kind of spooky. if you
Stop
put
it,
in
alligator.
In a ditch somewhere. Put a bloody hand in it. It's so cute. too long. What?
Let's take a-
Oh, okay. So, that's cool.
It's gross.
I wonder if he actually swim.
Probably not. These electronics, I think, would get destroyed.
That what was I saying? Oh. That's
Beauty.
Wow, Big Lots like upgraded a lot.
Yeah. I kind of wanted to build something like this last year. I never got able to though. An aquarium.
Sweet.
Look at this. This is like Harry Potter.
It's like aliens.
Except that you can kind of see.
That's cool. Dragons are gonna be a thing this year. There's so much tiger.
Oh, look at him. He's a built. It's a Norwegian.
Sorry, people right here.
I want to do the saber-tooth tiger. Where's the button? It's pretty cool. His head shakes.
Oh, so dumb.
Kind of cool.
That'd be neat if they had it the year you did Witch's Doom.
Yeah.
Where you go kind of like creepy cloths and probably just make it spooky.
Yeah.
We could actually try to get some of this.
What's that?
I think people actually tried to, because this is open, and I think people were trying to dig into it because they're stupid. That's all it does. That's neat. That could be a year-round thing. Let's just light up. You could have like your library and have things glow. Just what's that? There's lamps. Oh my god, there's lamps.
Let me out of this thing so I can point your nose off. Just clowning around.
Still.
Oh, cool. It's really cool to have it playing without the noise.
It's hard to see. There's like a face up there.
It's really loud.
Yeah. What?
Did your mama tell you not to turn on the TV at night? How dare you? I've been watching you.
But it's not nighttime. What do the projectors do? I remember Spirit had these last year, or something similar. What about the radios? It's hard to hear that one. speakers are broken. Me and Charles used that song in the video a long time ago. Alright, turn off. Hey, turn off. I don't think you do.
I did it.
Whoa. That's a very angry lantern. The last thing that I see that we haven't really touched yet is this phone.
Closer, please. I'm just dying to talk to you.
So that was Big Lots. They stepped up their game this year. That was some pretty cool stuff in there. Like I said though, we are kind of late. I know that the stuff's been out for a few weeks now, so there may have even been stuff that we missed that's already gone. But still, very cool. Next up in this series, we're gonna visit Michael's. Am I pointing to the right store? I think so. So as always, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next one.